Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Samsung Music. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and then open your Google Play Store. When you open your Google Play Store, if you look at the bottom right corner, you can see a search icon. From here, you can search for the apps that you want to install. Tap on the search icon. Look at the top of your screen and you can see a search bar. Tap on the search bar and type Samsung Music. When you find the app, tap on the app and again tap on install. Now the installation and download will begin automatically. It will take a few minutes or seconds depending on your internet speed and connection. When the app is installed, you can directly tap it open from here, or you can also find it later in the app drawer. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.